like, my problem with it is, like, not necessarily a problem. Okay, yeah, maybe a little bit of a problem is, like, why is it being brought into every aspect of, like, everything? Kids shows, cartoons, superheroes, grocery stores, liquor bottles. And there's probably a lot of people in that community that don't even, like, know about what I'm talking about at, like, the liquor stores and stuff. But I'm not saying it's anybody's fault. I'm just saying, like, why is it being, like, forced? And especially, like, where, bro, little kids can see this stuff. Like,
So he's saying this is bad. Love is love. Saying that everyone's loved, at Pride. And this is the movie Lightyear. He's saying this is bad right here. These two girls, this is a kid show, are gonna kiss, okay? But look at this. What about this? Everyone knows this show. What about these two? Even this, I think this is Tangled, I don't know. But it's a kid show, look. Look at that. Whoa, whoa, that's a boy and a girl. Is that fine? Is that fine for a kid to see? Oh my god. Oh, everyone knows this one. Ooh. Can't forget about Miley. Look at that. Look at that. You're saying this is fine? I don't think kids should see this. This is heterosexual stuff. We don't want to, like, get in their little head. They're not ready to see this. What's the difference between this and this? Oh. I know. Homophobic. Transphobic. That's what the difference is. If you think this is bad, you're homophobic, transphobic. Because it's literally nothing. It's crazy that we had to fight for our rights. Like, I was born in Romania. I got adopted to come to America. And ever since I was a kid, like, I keep thinking about it. I'm like, I'm so glad I'm here in America as a kid. Like, mostly seeing the country down there compared to here, we have a lot more freedom. As a kid, that's what I thought. I grew up and like, damn, like, kind of regret being adopted at a young age. Like, this place sucks. We're out here, people getting rude and mad because LGBT people exist. Like, bro, we exist. Just let us exist. Like, you saw all those shows, and there is a lot more I could show you, but it can't last this long. But all we're trying to do is exist in our own body. I'm trying to live the life I want. I don't know if there's any afterlives or anything like that. So if there's not, I want to live this life the way I want to live. I am not going to go on any of your videos and just go hate on your stuff. By the way, how I found you was I was following you. Probably because I follow motivation, happiness, proud, amazing, positivity stuff. So maybe one of your videos was positive. But then after I saw that, I blocked you in 1 second. I didn't block you. I don't block anyone. But I unfollowed in 1 second. Like, stop that negativity, bro. If you don't understand it, you don't gotta understand it. Just leave. Like, just stop. Just scroll. Don't be posting negative shit. That's not gonna get you anywhere, Just equal rights, bro. Equal rights for everyone. That's all I preach. Equal rights, okay? That's all I want.